Clive Staple Lewis, but most people call me C.S. Lewis. I was born on November 29, 1898, in Belfast, Ireland. I spent most of my time as a writer, a teacher, and also a thinker, sharing stories and idea about faith, imagination, and especially life. People know me well for the Chronicles of Narnia, a fantasy book series which is loved by most children and adults alike. The first book, The Lion, The Wicked Witch, and the Wardrobe, takes readers into the magical land of Narnia, where adventures and bravery matter. I also wrote The Mere Christianity, which explained my faith, and The Screwtape Letters, a story about the good and evil. I also explored space in the Space Trilogy and wrote about the pain and suffering in the problem pain. My personal life had some of its shared stories too. One of the most discussed part of my life was close bond with Mrs. Jenny Moore, the mother of my friend who died way back in World War I. I took care of her like my own family, which made some people curious. Later, I married Joy Davidman, also a writer from America. Some asked about our marriage because she was divorced from her previous relationship, but we genuinely love each other. When she fought for cancer, it was heartbreaking for me, but it also deepened my understanding of love, loss, and faith. I shared this emotion in my book called A Grief Observed. I passed away on November 22, 1963, 7 days before my birthday. On the same day, something unexpectedly happened. US President John F. Kennedy was assassinated. So not many people noticed my passing, but that's okay because my stories didn't end with me. Even though I am no longer here in this world, my books are still being read by people all around the world. They continue to ignite imagination, encourage deep thinking, and inspire belief in something greater than ourselves. My words live on, touching the hearts and minds of those who pick up my books and journey through the worlds I created. And so, my story remains in the page of my books, waiting for the new generations of readers to explore the magic, the wisdom, and the wonder I left behind.